Hi girl, I'm gonna hold your hand when I say this. Hindi ka tamad, baka kulang ka lang sa iron. Hi, this is me again, Macy Lopez, your registered nutritionist dietitian, and let's talk more about women's health and nutrition this Women's Month. As a registered nutritionist dietitian, one of the most common issues I see in the Filipino women is iron deficiency. Lagi ka bang pagod, nahihilo ka pa kapag tumatayo, grabe ang hair fall, o kaya naman cold hands and feet. And most of us girls would just think, baka busy lang ako, kaya ganito. Or baka naman stress lang ako. But remember, women lose blood every month. That means higher iron needs for us women. So what are some of the iron sources that we can include on our diet? So first is the animal sources or yung mga sources for heme iron, lean beef or baka, lean pork, and then yung mga chicken liver or atay, but of course in moderation, chicken thigh and breast, fishes, especially sardines, galunggong, bangus, and also mga shellfishes like tahong and talaba. Aside from animal sources, meron din tayong mga plant sources or mga non-heme iron. This includes munggo, malunggay leaves, kangkong, pechay, talbos ng kamote, sitaw, tofu or tokwa, nuts and seeds like kalabasa and sesame. And also yung mga dark green leafy vegetables. Aside from this, there are also fortified common foods like our iron fortified rice, wherever it's available, iron fortified breads and cereals, also pastries and oatmeal, some of the brands. So these are the common food items that we can include on our daily diet. And please, magpa-check up muna bago mag-supplement. Huwag basta-basta mag-self-diagnose at mag-prescribe sa sarili ng iba't ibang supplements without any prescription from your doctor or your registered dietitian. So girl, your fatigue is not a personality trait, it might be nutrition. I hope you learned something from me today, so see you again next time. Bye!